Hello everyone, welcome back to another Sleepyhead Speaks video. And you might have seen my previous video on how I managed to book a vaccine slot. So this is kind of a follow-up video to that because it's been a couple of days since I got my vaccine shot, the first dose of the COVID vaccine. And here's what happened at the vaccine center. So before going, I kind of had a good, well, tummy full meal and had hydrated myself pretty awesome, like about 2-3 liters in the morning. I had a good night's sleep before the night of the vaccination, and I just visited the center a little too early. So my slot that I booked, which I realized after I saw my vaccine appointment slip, was 4 to 5 p.m. slot, but I managed to visit the center at 3 p.m. because some of my friends had told go early, they follow a token system and you will have to stay in line for an hour, 30 minutes or something like that. So from 2 to 5 p.m. the vaccine center had allotted 100 slots which got booked within a few seconds. They did follow a token system. When I visited there, they saw my appointment slip, not the SMS appointment slip. They insisted on an appointment slip which you can download from the CoWIN website after you have booked your vaccination appointment. So they saw my appointment slip, they gave me a token, and there was no line. My token number was 68, and when I entered the vaccine center, the person who was getting the shot was about 63, 64. So not much of a wait. I had to fill a form which took, and then provide the form. They would enter the details and then verify my documents. I had provided Aadhaar card, so I gave my Aadhaar card, they verified the details, and done. So step 1 done. It took about 5 to 10 minutes, and then about a 5 minutes wait because there were 3-4 people in front of me to get the vaccine shot. So another 5 minutes wait. So total of 15 minutes since the time I arrived at the vaccine center. Now my turn comes. I wait for the doctor or assistant to give me the shot. They ask my age. They have a system where where once you provide your documents and then they confirm your appointment, there's a second person who has to like click on saying this person has got the vaccine shot. Only then it will confirm that you have got your vaccine shot. So they confirm my age, they give me the vaccine shot, and once that is done, I am asked to wait for about 10 minutes in the waiting area post getting the vaccine shot. So that's done. When I'm waiting in the vaccine, after getting the vaccine shot, I wait in the waiting area for about 10 minutes. I get a message saying, congratulations, you have been administered the first dose. And yep, first dose done. Wait for 10 minutes, and about 10 minutes later, one of their staff comes to check on us, asking, do you have any pain, do you have any reaction kind of a thing, or you feel anything out of the normal. So that was only questions that they asked. I had no pain as of then. I had no other reactions or anything that I felt out of the normal. It didn't feel anything. Even the vaccination shot didn't even prick much. The assistant said it will prick a little, but a mosquito bite is, I can feel the mosquito bite more than what the vaccine jab prick felt. So that's it. Vaccine shot done. In and out in maximum 30 minutes. And pretty awesome compared to what others had to wait for 2 hours in a line in the hot sun. Nothing of that sort in my case. First of all, people were so early that more than 50% of the people had got their shots even before I entered the center. And yeah, so good. In and out in 30 minutes, back home. And yeah, so some things that you need to notice: you need to download your vaccination appointment slip and keep it handy, because again, CoWIN website, you don't have to rely on that to download it at the center. It's just waste of time. As soon as you get your appointment confirmed, or on the morning of the appointment, whenever possible, please download the vaccination appointment slip. It is very helpful because you can show it to the cops, you can show it at the vaccination center, which they will ask, and before you get a token if they are following a token system. So that's done. And then also please carry your own hand sanitizers. There are hand sanitizer stations at the vaccination center, but it is accessed by plenty of people. So my suggestion would be, please take your own hand sanitizers with you and just follow the directions the vaccination center's staff tells you to, because there is one place where you have to fill a form or something. Some centers ask you to download an app or all that stuff, so please do that. Carry more than one document, Aadhaar card and some other document, just in case if you need. One document that you need to carry is Aadhaar card, because some centers that I heard about is even if you mention PAN card, they ask for an Aadhaar card. So one document you carry Aadhaar card, and then you take another document which you mentioned in the CoWIN portal. That done. That's all. And it's been some days since I got the vaccination shot, and all I can say is so the vaccine that I got was Covaxin, not Covishield that many of the centers give. I got first dose of Covaxin. I had pain in the left arm and a little heaviness for about 2 days since the shot. That day I didn't feel much, but later in the night of the day of vaccination, there was a little bit of pain in the left arm. No fever, no fatigue or anything of that sort. The pain vanished in about 3 days. It's been almost a week now, so nothing much, all good, back to normal, nothing much with the left arm. No fever, no fatigue, even after 2-3 days of the vaccination. Hydrated myself well, had great sleep at night for the days following the vaccination, because first of all it was a weekend after the vaccination, so at home and sleeping a lot, so that was kind of helpful. Also now as of shooting this video, government centers in Karnataka are not going to provide any vaccination slots to 18 to 44 age bracket. Private centers are still providing vaccination appointments, so your Apollo, Manipal, the likes of them will still provide. And what I have seen is the vaccination slots are still opening up on CoWIN website, so good luck. The tips and tricks I mentioned in the previous video still hold good. Some of the hospitals are still consistent, and some of the hospitals are, again, it's a lottery there, so good luck with that. The bots that I have mentioned in the previous video still work. They have been doing the good job. Also, please do not go far away to get your shot. People in Bangalore, please do not go to like Dodballapur, Chikballapur, Tumkur, etc. Let the people there get their shots. Please try in the city center, and yeah, that's a humble request from my side. So if you can get a shot on CoWIN website, great. If not, please keep trying. One or the other day you will get an appointment. कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती, and people with attempt on CoWIN website and a lot of luck will get this appointment slots as soon as possible. Keep trying, because that is the only way right now, because walk-ins are not allowed for people under 45 years of age. So try the only way out, else I'm not sure what other means are currently available. If I get any other means that is legit, I will talk about it in some future videos. So yeah, that was my vaccination center experience, in and out in 30 minutes, quick and easy, not much, just a form to fill, documents verified. Payment methods were very limited. It was either cash or UPI. So the payment methods will vary from center to center. Some centers will honor card payments as well. Some are asking only for cash. I was happy that UPI was an option, because I didn't want to handle cash in any way. That said, also, yeah, you need to just carry your own sanitizer, carry some water. Maybe if you are going on a two-wheeler, maybe carry a raincoat, because weather has been unpredictable in the evenings or in the mornings as well sometimes. So that's it for this video. Stay home, stay safe, and if you are heading out, please do in the specified time and do not venture out unnecessarily. Please wear a mask, preferably 2 masks, and ensure hygiene. Stay clean, stay home, stay safe. Until next time, take care and you stay sleepy. Sleepyhead speaks. Bye.